Khloé Kardashian, a woman who just dropped her full cosmetic playbook like it was the skincare version of the Dead Sea Scrolls. "Yes," Khloé said, "let me clear the air, and also my pores," and gave us the most honest, transparent list of tweaks, tucks, and threads we've seen since your aunt came back from Tulum looking suspiciously 20 years younger. Now, when most celebs claim their glow-up is all about drinking water and good lighting, Khloé went full Yelp reviewer, tagging the doctors, listing the lasers, and even crediting the salmon sperm. Yes, you heard that right, salmon sperm facials. Somewhere out there, a fish is applying for royalties. She's had Botox, Sculptra, Softwave, hairline lasers, collagen threads, and a nose job by the Michelangelo of Beverly Hills. Honestly, it's like the Avengers of cosmetic procedures assembled just to serve her face. Oh, and she's lost 80 pounds. Slowly, steadily, like the tortoise in a Gucci headband. And let's not forget the iconic line, "I'll do salmon sperm but never whale sperm." Honestly, that's a whole philosophy. That's a TED Talk. That's a shirt. So grab your favorite anti-aging serum, pause that appointment with your local med spa, and get ready because we're unpacking every single glowing, lasered, thread-lifted detail of Khloé Kardashian's beauty evolution. Spoiler, no whales were harmed in the making of this face. Khloé Kardashian is the latest to get candid about her glow-up. After Dr. Jonathan Betteridge speculated on social media about what cosmetic procedures and surgeries the reality star may have undergone in an Instagram reel, the Good American co-founder set the record straight, jumping into the comment section to reveal her secrets. "I take this as a great compliment. First off, I think these photos are about 15 years apart, but here's a list of things that I have done," Kardashian wrote, following in the steps of little sister Kylie Jenner as well as Kristin Cavallari and more. "I've been very open in the past about what I have done, so here we go," she said. Kardashian also tagged the doctor or office that performed each treatment, giving credit where credit is due. First, the reality television star confirmed again that she had a nose job by Dr. Raj Kanodia, a plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills, California. Laser hair for the hairline and everywhere else. Laser aesthetics, Kardashian continued. The mother of two added that she had Botox and Sculptra at Seving Spa where her face tumor was removed in her cheek. Next on the list? Softwave, a non-invasive laser procedure also beloved by her older sister Kim Kardashian, who got the pricey treatment done before this year's Met Gala. She continued, "Filler in the past but not any over the last few years. I hear it never goes away, so I'm sure it's still there but calm down." Kardashian also attributed her weight loss to her overall beauty transformation. "Lost 80 pounds over the years, slow and steady," Joe Paris. "Collagen baby threads underneath my chin and neck, hating sweato.co," she added, a minimally invasive procedure that involves dissolvable threads that pull up loose skin as an alternative to a facelift. She added that she's tried various topical treatments including salmon sperm facials/regular facials, peptides, vitamins, and daily skin care. The businesswoman is the latest celebrity to speak about salmon sperm facials. Others include her sister Kim, Jennifer Aniston, Miley Cyrus, and Denise Richards. Kardashian, who is afraid of whales, addressed the trendy procedure on The Kardashians, joking to her glam squad, "I do the salmon sperm facials, but I'm never gonna do whale sperm." She concluded the lengthy comment, writing, "In 2025 there are many other things we can do before surgery, but when it's time, and if I choose to, I know some great doctors. From nose jobs to salmon sperm facials, yes, you heard that right, to laser hair removal and dissolvable threads." Khloé took us on a wild ride through her transformation, complete with tags, receipts, and zero shame. And let's be real, whether you're team natural, team tweakments, or team just give me her skincare routine, you've got to respect the honesty. Khloé didn't just glow up, she gave the glow up a TED Talk. And if there's one takeaway here, it's that beauty in 2025 is officially high-tech, high-maintenance, and very high-def. And there you have it, Khloé Kardashian has officially spilled all the tea on her glow-up, and honestly, that was practically a beauty masterclass wrapped in an Instagram comment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.